Car insurance fraud, what to watch out for. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is something most people never think about until they get caught up in it. Car insurance fraud. Yeah, it sounds boring at first, but trust me, once you understand how it works and how easy it is to fall for these tricks, you'll realize this is one of the most important videos you'll ever watch as a driver. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look out for so you never get scammed, never get blamed for something you didn't do, and never lose your money over someone else's lies. Let's get into it. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Car insurance fraud is basically when someone lies, exaggerates, or fully sets up a situation just to collect money from the insurance company. And here's the crazy part. Sometimes innocent drivers get dragged into it without knowing. Fraud can happen in different ways. Fake accidents, staged collisions, or even dishonest mechanics adding extra repairs. The problem? You could be the one stuck paying higher insurance, getting blamed for an accident, or losing your no-claims bonus, all because someone else was trying to cheat the system. So here's what to watch out for. 1. The swoop and squat scam. This is one of the most common types. A car suddenly jumps in front of you and slams the brakes. You hit them, and because you rear-ended them, guess what? You look like the one at fault. But the truth is, they planned it. Red flags. The driver seems weirdly calm. They already have a witness on scene. The damage on their car looks older or not fresh. 2. The wave and crash trick. You're trying to switch lanes or turn, someone waves at you to go, but the second you move, they hit you. Then, they pretend they never waved. Always rely on signals and traffic rules, not hand gestures from strangers. 3. Mechanic repair scams. Some mechanics partner with shady drivers to add repairs you don't need. Claim parts were damaged when they weren't. Overcharge insurance and pocket the extra cash. You might not be the scammer, but your insurance can still get charged, and your premium increases. 4. The ghost claim. A person adds extra damage from a completely different time and claims it as part of your accident. Example: you scratch their bumper slightly, but suddenly they're adding a cracked light, a broken grill, dent on the other side of the car. Always take photos to protect yourself. I'll explain how later. If you are liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. How to protect yourself. Alright, now that you know the scams, let's talk about how you avoid being the victim. 1. Install a dash cam. This is one of the smartest things you can do. A dash cam gives clear proof of how the accident happened, who caused it, what speed you were going, whether they braked suddenly. Insurance companies love dash cam evidence. 2. Document everything immediately. If anything happens, take multiple photos, record short videos, capture number plates, capture road conditions. Never rely on memory. Evidence is everything. 3. Don't let strangers pressure you. Some scammers will try to make you admit fault, tell you don't call insurance, rush you to sign something, try to intimidate or confuse you. Don't fall for that. Simply say, "I'll let the insurance company handle this." 4. Call the police if it feels suspicious. If the accident feels staged or the people involved seem too prepared, call the police immediately. Scammers get nervous when the police arrive. 5. Only use trusted mechanics. Don't let the other party choose the repair shop. Some of them work together to inflate the repair cost. Always choose a reputable mechanic or your insurance-approved repair center. Pay attention if the other driver refuses to share ID or insurance details. They insist on a cash settlement. They already have a witness that appeared out of nowhere. They avoid calling police. If more than one of these happens, you're probably dealing with fraud. Car insurance fraud isn't something you hear in movies. It happens every day, especially to young drivers who are still learning the road. But now, you know the traps, you know the signs, and most importantly, you know how to protect yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more real, easy-to-understand breakdowns just like this. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.